Oh, he's really enjoying it. Today, third video. Come on. I got the video I wanted already. That's the tip of the waterfall. That's the tip. That's the stick. Get it. Good boy. Come on. This guy walked right off the waterfall. Nixon. Oh, he's in the water again. He realizes the water's not going to hurt him. Start enjoying the water. Very nice. That's the front of the waterfall. I filmed it. This is my third video. I'll try to get this one up. Beautiful. All rocks, waterfalls, trees. Beautiful. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, look. Nixon. Nixon. This guy's at tip of the waterfall. Crazy. Come here. Come here. Get it. You got it. Good boy. Good boy. Ah, good boy. Got the stick, huh? All right. Gonna end it with him in the water.